Paul, my boss is calling me now, and I need one day off tomorrow.
Oh no. Are you sick or just very nervous?
Very nervous. I don't know what to say in English.
Many learners feel this fear, asking a boss for one-day vacation.
Today, we fix this problem together. By the end, you will ask for one day off calmly and politely.
Like and subscribe if English at work feels scary sometimes.
Okay, the phone is ringing. I answer.
Wait, first try the wrong English.
Wrong English? Okay, hello, I want holiday tomorrow?
Oof, that sounds very strong.
Yes, my boss says, why, with angry eyes.
Let's stop. This English is not polite.
So, what is wrong?
Two things. I want sounds like a demand.
And holiday?
In work English, we say day off or leave.
Okay, let's fix it.
First, we start soft. We use a polite opening.
Like what?
Try this. I wanted to ask if I could take one day off.
That sounds long.
Yes, but it sounds kind and professional.
Let me try. I wanted to ask if I could take one day off.
Nice. Stress ask and day off.
Ask day off.
Good. Viewers, pause the video and say it with Emily.
Day off.
Exactly. Nice. Now the boss will ask why.
Oh no.
Don't worry. Keep it simple. You don't need a long story.
Really?
Yes, short and honest.
Okay, what can I say?
For example, I have a personal appointment.
Personal appointment. That feels safe.
Yes, repeat it after me, viewers. I have a personal appointment.
Good rhythm. Stress personal.
Personal. Viewers, your turn. Pause the video and repeat after me again. Personal.
Great job, learners. Now we put it together.
Now we put it together.
Okay, I answer the phone again.
I will act like your boss.
Okay, let's start. Hello, sir. I wanted to ask if I could take one day off tomorrow.
Why do you need the day off?
I have a personal appointment.
Nice. Very professional.
But what if the boss is busy or strict?
Good question. Then we add respect for time.
How?
Say this, if that's okay with you. Short and polite.
Yes, repeat after me, viewers. If that's okay with you.
Link the words. That's okay.
Perfect.
Let's try the full best version.
I'm ready. I wanted to ask if I could take one day off tomorrow.
Nice. Add the reason.
I have a personal appointment, if that's okay with you.
That's it. That is real office English.
I feel proud.
You should.
But wait, what if the boss says no?
Another real-life moment.
Yes, that hurts.
Then you stay polite. You say thanks.
Even if I feel sad?
Yes, English is calm. Feelings stay inside.
Okay, what do I say?
Say, I understand. Thank you for letting me know.
That sounds adult.
It is. Repeat slowly, learners. I understand. Thank you for letting me know, sir.
Good. Small pause after understand. I understand. Thank you for letting me know, sir.
Let's add a small joke.
A joke?
Yes, wrong English again.
Okay, I will be the employee.
And I will be the boss. Let's start.
Boss, tomorrow I go holiday because my life is tired.
Haha, funny, but no.
Yes, don't say that.
But remember this feeling. Now say the right English.
I wanted to ask if I could take one day off.
Huge difference.
I feel more confident now.
That's the goal.
Can we practice one more time?
Of course, viewers, speak with us.
I wanted to ask if I could take one day off.
Pause the video here and repeat now.
Nice.
Add the reason.
I have a personal appointment, if that's okay with you.
Pause the video here and repeat now.
Excellent.
This sentence will help you many times.
Yes, not only tomorrow.
Work English is about tone, not big words.
Soft words, calm voice.
Exactly. Well said.
Today, we solved a scary problem.
You learned how to ask for one-day vacation politely. No fear, no rude English.
Now you can say it at work with confidence. Comment below and write the sentence one time.
Practice makes strong English. Subscribe for more real-life English stories.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, everyone. Happy learning.